Yeah, David Trewavas, the Mayor of Taupo District. The top two priorities are the new bridge, advancing that program of the new bridge, and also rates. Obviously, is a very topical subject, and it's got to be affordable. And I understand that. So we've got to have a good look at rates. My slogan is the Mayor for All, and I've been a retailer here 40 years in town. I was a former stock agent, and of course a sports administrator as well. So I think I've got the varied attributes that make up the role. And you've got to be a person. You've got to be a person that's prepared to listen, understand, engage, all that sort of thing. And I'm lucky enough that I've been born with those. I feel I've been born with those attributes. So hopefully continue those on. Yeah, I think the biggest challenge is the growth going forward. We've been so lucky that we've procured this land over the many years that have been available to us, and now we're developing into residential sections. A lot of commercial property coming on stream, which our businesses, large scale businesses, can move here. I think we do that in such a way that we still maintain our beautiful environment, and that's what it's all about at the end of the day. A good place to live.